Meaning of demoralization.
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 Demoralization. The term demoralization refers to the process of causing someone to lose confidence or hope. When a person experiences demoralization, they may feel discouraged, disillusioned, and emotionally drained. This can lead to a decrease in motivation and a sense of helplessness. As a result, the individual may struggle to complete tasks and may become less productive, ultimately affecting their overall well-being. In extreme cases, demoralization can cause individuals to withdraw from social interaction and become isolated, leading to further negative consequences.